Have one of these or another smallish item that you want to get crisp, clear photos and videos of? This is the Orangemonkie Foldio3 kit, which includes all of these elements, and it's super easy to use. In fact, for setup, you're working with magnets for the main assembly and Velcro for attaching the backdrops. Attach the accessory lights with magnets, bring in the turntable, and you are spinning your stuff while the app automatically communicates with the turntable, and it gets all of the shots. A tripod accessory for your phone helps so that the phone isn't moving around, or you can use your DSLR or whatever camera you have, and you can have the app control the turntable while your camera is getting the photos. I used my iPhone and it worked great. I also used my D810 and it worked great. This is not something that I had done before. Frankly, I just kind of thought it would be complicated, and it's something that maybe I would do once or twice. But Orangemonkie with this Folio 360 setup has eliminated those excuses. This thing literally pops into place when you set everything up and makes it super easy for me. I thought for sure that I might get the lighting wrong or have other problems on my first try. I didn't have any problems at all. It worked great. Everything was simple and intuitive, and I ran the whole show from the app. Now, why might you need something like this? For one, if you like little guys like this or other interesting figures and collectibles, this is a great way to capture them and show them off. Another concern of mine was that maybe my images and videos would be sort of trapped in the app, but that's not the case. You can have the app email you an entire kit of images that it captured, including individual JPEGs and an MP4 file, a JPEG film strip, and even an animated GIF. I'm picky about getting my images in the right formats, and Orangemonkie has everything covered here. Of course, if you are working with your DSLR, you can shoot in RAW to your heart's content and come away with extremely well-lit, high-quality photos and videos. Now, it's not just about the turntable and making movies. You can use this setup with or without the turntable. Sometimes you might just want nice, pure light without the rotation, and you can certainly do that too. Oh, and the kit I have linked down below has everything that I've talked about here, and also both a white and a dark backdrop, depending on the mood that you want to set for your items. I expect to be using this for all of the gear that I'll be reviewing in the future. I was just using it today to document this all-in-one camera and gimbal that I will be reviewing very soon. Whether you're experienced photographing small items in a highly controlled environment, or it's something that you're just curious about, as I was, this is a great complete setup. If you want to learn more about some of the different kit options, or you are just thinking about purchasing one, check out the link in the description of this video. I am an Amazon affiliate, so when you use those links to check out products like this one, it helps support my site and my overall mission. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.